Here we have the solution for question 9 on homework 11. And we're told that Susie is baking some cakes for Mother's Day. She needs 0.32 kilograms of butter for each cake. If she has 5.5 kilograms of butter, how many cakes will she be able to bake? And then we're told that if each cake costs $2.30 to make and she sells the cakes for $4.50 each, how much profit will she make, assuming that she sells all the cakes that she can possibly bake with the available butter? So the first thing we need to do here is to find out how many cakes she can possibly bake. And to do that, we have 5.5 kilograms of butter and 0.32. That's how much she needs. And it's a mix of fractions and decimals. So you either have to work with fractions or decimals. In this particular case, it seems to make sense to work with decimals. So 5.5 kilograms will be 5.5. And we need to divide that by 0.32. So what we'll find out here is the number of cakes that Susie can make. Okay, so 5.5 divided by 0.32. Well, we can't divide by a decimal. We'll need to multiply this number by a power of 10. In this particular case, we need to multiply it by 10, 100. And if we multiply this by 100, we need to multiply this number by 100 as well. So we'll get 550. And that's going to be divided by 32. So 32 into 550. Now 32 into 5 doesn't go, but 32 into 55 will go once. 1 times 32 is 32, and we get a remainder of 23. So now we have to find how many times does 32 go into 230. Now it goes in 17 times plus a remainder. But that remainder we're not really interested in. We're just interested in this whole number, because that represents how many cakes she can make. So Susie can make 17 cakes. So Susie can make or bake 17 cakes. So that's the first question answered. How many cakes will she be able to bake? Now the next thing is we need to find out how much profit there is on each cake. So the profits on each cake, well, that'll be $4.50 minus the cost, which is $2.30. We get 0 here, 5 take away the 3 is 2, and 4 take away 2 is 2. So the profit on each cake is $2.20. Now we know she can make 17 cakes, so Susie's profit will be $2.20, and we need to multiply that by 17. So 1 0 is 0, 1 2 is 2, 1 times 2 is 2, 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 2 is 14, carry the 1, and 7 times 2 is 14, plus the 1 is 15. Now we need to add these. We get 0, 4, 7, and 3. And the last thing we need to do is to add in the number of decimals. Well, we have 2 decimals in the question here. So 2 decimals here. So Susie's profit is $37.40.